Hello students, it's your GK turn and in GK we have finished till chapter 6. Today we are going to study chapter 7 entitled Capital of India. So which city is the capital of India? We all know that Delhi. Delhi is the capital of India. This city has been capital of many kings in the past. There are many famous places to see here. People from many states and countries come here every year, which means Delhi is very famous city. दिल्ली फेमस भी है और साथ ही साथ पुराने टाइम से ये इंडिया की कैपिटल राजधानी रही है और दिल्ली में देर आर सो मैनी फेमस प्लेसेस टू सी. बहुत सारी जगह है जहाँ पे लोग विज़िट करते हैं और स्पेशली दूर दूर से उन्हें देखने आते हैं दूसरी कंट्रीज से. ओके, सो we would try to find out about the famous places in Delhi, and I have solved the exercise for you already. You can see in the first picture, it is a picture of Red Fort. This is a picture of Red Fort. Let's have some knowledge about Red Fort. The Red Fort is a historic fort in the city of Delhi in India, which served as the main residence of the Mughal emperors. Emperor Shah Jahan commissioned construction of the Red Fort on 12 May 1638 when he decided to shift his capital from Agra to Delhi. Okay, so that was the main knowledgeable thing about the Red Fort. Moving on to second landmarks, that is, can you recognize it? Yes, it is Akshardham. The full name of Akshardham is Swami Narayan Akshardham, and it is a Hindu temple and a spiritual cultural campus in New Delhi, India. And it is also referred to as Akshardham Temple or Delhi Akshardham. The complex displays the millennia of traditional Hindu and Indian culture, spirituality and architecture. So this is an symbol for both the Indian, Hindu, traditional, spirituality and architecture. So you have to learn about these landmarks. Moving on to the third one, that is well-known India Gate. We all are aware of this word India Gate, and let's have some knowledge about India Gate. That India Gate is a war memorial. Yes, we all know that India Gate is a war memorial located astride the Rajpath on the eastern edge of the ceremonial axis of New Delhi, and it was formerly called King's Way. So India Gate पे जितने भी मार्टिर्स हैं, शहीद हैं, उनके नेम भी लिखे हुए हैं. ओके, सो वी pay tribute to our martyrs on India Gate, at India Gate, sorry. Moving on to the fourth one, the picture is of Qutub Minar. This picture is of Qutub Minar. The Qutub Minar is a towering and it is 73 meter high. It is a tower built by Qutubuddin Aibak in 1193. 1193 में कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक ने इसको बनवाया था. The tower was built to celebrate Muslim empire. Okay. Moving on to the next one, fifth one is, can you recognize it? It is Lotus Temple. It is a Lotus Temple. The Lotus Temple is located in Delhi, India. It is called Baha'i House of Worship that was dedicated in December 1986, and it is notable for its flower-like shape. As you can see in the picture, the shape of this temple is like a lotus. So that's why it is called a Lotus Temple. It has become a prominent attraction in the city. Like all Baha'i houses of worship, the Lotus Temple is open to all, regardless of religion or any other qualification. So, Lotus Temple is open for all kinds of religious person and rituals. Moving on to the next picture, it is a picture of Humayun's tomb. Picture number 6 is Humayun's tomb. It Humayun's, not Humayun's. Okay, correct it. Humayun's tomb. So Humayun's tomb is the tomb of the Mughal Emperor Humayun in Delhi, India. Who was Humayun? Humayun was the father of Babur, and Babur was the father of the Akbar Great. Okay. So the tomb was commissioned. Tomb means क्या होता है? Can you do you know about it? What is the meaning of tomb? गुम्बद. Okay. तो हुमायूं का गुम्बद, in Hindi you can say. The tomb was commissioned by Humayun's first wife and chief consort, Empress Bega Begum, in 1569 to 70, and it was designed by Miraq Mirza and his son Sayyid Muhammad. Is a Persian architect chosen by his wife. Okay, so it is a very fine architecture and people got attracted towards it and came to visit this place from many countries. Let's move on to the next picture. 7 number we have. At 7 number we have Rajghat. What is Rajghat? Rajghat is a memorial. It is also a memorial. Memorial क्या होता है? किसी की याद में जब किसी जगह पे बनाया जाता है, उस प्लेस को डेडिकेट किया जाता है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड मेमोरियल. ओके. So Rajghat is a memorial dedicated to Mahatma Gandhi in Delhi. Originally, it was the name of a historic ghat of Old Delhi. And close to it and east of Daryaganj was Rajghat, gate of the walled city. And it was opening at Rajghat to the west bank of the Yamuna river. Later, the memorial area was also called Rajghat. Okay. So, यहाँ पे गांधी जी का मेमोरियल है और it is located near Yamuna river. The last one is the picture of Jantar Mantar. In the last few days, you must have seen in the news on the channels, TV channels, that people have gathered on Jantar Mantar for the rights and demanding to take back the bill of NRC and all. So that means that is the place is really famous, Jantar Mantar. So Jantar Mantar is located in the modern city of New Delhi. It is also located in Delhi because we are talking about the Delhi, that is capital of India. Okay, so Jantar Mantar is also located in Delhi and it consists of 13 architectural astronomy instruments. Astronomy instruments हैं, यानी कि which is related to the stars, moons and galaxies objects. The site is one of 5 built by Maharaja Jai Singh II of Jaipur. From 1723 onwards, revising the calendar and astronomical tables. Okay. So Jantar Mantar was built by Maharaja Jai Singh II of Jaipur, and it has many astronomical tables and instruments in it. Here are some important knowledge and extra knowledge for us, that Prime Minister of India hoists national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi on 15th August every year. As we all know, 15 August is an Independence Day और उस दिन प्राइम मिनिस्टर दिल्ली के रेड फोर्ट में झंडा फहराते हैं. ठीक है, हमारा झंडा, that is Tiranga. That is called Tiranga, tricolor. The President of India hoists national flag at the India Gate in Delhi on 26 January every year. और हमारे देश के जो प्रेसिडेंट है, राष्ट्रपति हैं, वो 26 जनवरी दैट इज़ रिपब्लिक डे, उस दिन वो इंडिया गेट पे तिरंगा यानी हमारा झंडा, नेशनल फ्लैग फहराते हैं. ओके, सो दैट इज़ ऑल विद दिस चैप्टर and try to remember about all these monuments and landmarks of Delhi. Okay, see you in next class. Thank you.